Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Wise. Number 1. Go to thepaypal.com and log in to your account. Number 2. Once you are already logged in, you can see a button or a section here that says Add Card or Bank. Number 3. There are two options that we can see in here. Link your credit card or bank account. Number 4. Choose Link Bank Account. Number 5. Scroll down to the bottom and click Link a US bank instead. Number 6. So in this page, it will be asking you to fill this form right here. Once you are done, you can click Link Your Bank, and that's it. Please note that the specifics of these steps may vary, and it is essential to check for any updates or changes in the process on both the Wise and PayPal platforms. Additionally, keep in mind that the fees and exchange rates may apply when transferring money between these services.